cooking up a storm with artificial intelligence. From the home kitchen to high-end restaurants, AI is revolutionizing our culinary world. Imagine having your personalized menu, tailored to your taste buds and dietary needs, all thanks to machine learning algorithms. Or, picture a world where AI-powered robots are the sous chefs, meticulously preparing dishes with precision and consistency. No more overcooked pastas or underseasoned soups, but it doesn't stop there. AI is also revolutionizing recipe recommendations. Based on your past choices, it can suggest new dishes you're likely to enjoy. It's like having a personal culinary concierge at your fingertips. And let's not forget about food waste. With AI's predictive capabilities, we can forecast our food needs more accurately, leading to less waste and a more sustainable future. In 60 seconds, we've barely scratched the surface of AI's impact on the culinary world. But one thing is certain, our kitchens and our palates will never be the same. Stay tuned for more tasty tech tidbits.